Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious treat. It's breadfruit French toast, okay? So first I have my 2 eggs right here. So I'm gonna add a little cinnamon, and then we're gonna put some vanilla. Then we're gonna add a little pinch of salt. We're gonna whisk our eggs. It's just the same step, as you're making regular French toast. So. What I'm gonna do, I have already my pan is heated right here. So I'm gonna put, this is the breadfruit already roast and peeled. Okay, so I'm gonna put the egg wash. I'm gonna add it to the pan. And I'm gonna allow them to brown nicely on both sides. Okay. So it's very delicious, and you can have it with like your pancake syrup and or honey. So as I said, they're gonna be brown nicely on both sides. Okay, so I already have some that I did before. It's very delicious. This is our breadfruit French toast, and I'm gonna have a taste. So I'm gonna use some pancake syrup. Okay, and as I said, it's a very delicious breakfast treat. This is delicious. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy food.